focuses on your dreams and he masturbates to the sounds of children's screams. His father is a sadist, his mother was a whore. Everything you believe is sold in a store. Your audience makes his money, go to revenue. But when you pray to your false God, the joke will be on you. Your prayers will go unanswered and your loved ones pass away. Just another casualty of the Christian way. Christianity killed the cat. All they say, God doesn't even care until payday. You didn't even pray, but that's okay, cause you know salvation is yours on D-Day. You're a good Christian cause you don't approve of gays. The Bible says to love your neighbor, never to hate. It's never too late to sign up and sell your soul for the promise of heaven awaits. Christianity killed the cat.